into the bag.
Oh, for sure. Do a walk around here. This is usually where the crazy control freak religious group tries to do their shitty balefires. All of these rocks were moved like 500 feet from here. What kind of an idiot moves that? Oh, wait a minute. They don't do it themselves. They get people to do it for them. This is our separate fire for people who can't walk over the big balefire. Balefire hasn't been big in 6 years, you assholes. Pick up your fucking garbage when you leave. Rain, Alex, Stephanie, Mike Sahlberg. Pick up your fucking shit. It looks like garbage. There's all kinds of trash in here. All kinds of trash. Fucking pigs. We're gonna be here this year for Beltane too. We're here every year. And if you fuckers don't like it, you can fucking find another fucking spot. This will be a perfect time to test out my 3 new trail cams. Yeah, buddy. So even if I'm not here, I'll come back and check my trail cams. Ha! Yeah. Trail cams, bitch. More garbage. Surprise, surprise. All right.
I'm gonna rip my hands off.
Alright, sounds good. It's starting to snow, yo. Yeah. Deuces. See y'all at Beltane. Unless y'all decide not to show up like last year. And that's going to do it for our 2-night solo over in the woods. Well, not solo. 2-night duel. There's 2 of us, not 1. That's going to do it for our 2-night overnighter in the woods with Brantley. We're going to pack up, hit the trail, have some PB&J, and get the flock out of here. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stop drinking truly nasty ass seltzer water. That shit's nasty. If you like it, cool, you like it. But I think it's nasty as fuck. It's garbage, it's trash, it's gross. Fuck that. And don't leave your garbage laying all over the place. Pick your fucking place up. Don't leave a place looking like a fucking shithole. It's indicative of how your life is lived at home. Clean up your campsite. Leave it in as good or better condition than when you got there.
All it takes is one person to ruin it all with everyone else.
Yeah. I literally picked up all these nasty ass cans. Dumbasses get drunk and just leave their garbage all over the place. Do the right thing. You know who you are. You know who you are if you're leaving a mess and being a pig. That's gonna do it. We'll catch you guys in a few when we're on the road and finishing up our breakfast. Peace.